Top 10 Ways to Make Money with Craigslist. Craigslist isn't just a classified ads site, it's a treasure trove of entrepreneurial opportunities. With its simplicity and massive user base, this platform provides endless ways to make extra income. Whether you're new to side hustles or a seasoned pro, Craigslist has untapped potential waiting for you. One man's junk is another man's treasure. Declutter your home and sell items like old furniture, gadgets, or tools you no longer use. Not only does this put cash in your pocket fast, but it also helps you organize your space while giving others a chance to save buying used goodies. Craigslist Arbitrage involves buying undervalued items, like furniture or electronics, and reselling them at higher prices. Maximize profits by refurbishing items for added value. For example, sand and repaint a used desk, and you could pocket a solid profit. Why limit your sales to Craigslist? Many entrepreneurs find gems on Craigslist, then flip them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Mercari. Research prices to ensure a healthy profit margin. Use the 70% flip rule to cover costs and ensure a meaningful return. Showcase your talents on Craigslist's gigs or services boards. From graphic design to handyman services, this is your space to connect with local clients and expand your freelancing hustle. Some skilled freelancers earn up to $5,000 a month using this approach. Already running a business? Craigslist can boost your clientele. Post your services on the platform to draw attention to your offers. Add links to an engaging website or social media page for credibility. Don't underestimate the leads this can generate. Got a truck or a vehicle? Make money delivering items for sellers who lack transport or time. Use apps like Roadie or GoShare for reliable gigs. From moving furniture to delivering appliances, you'll fill a crucial local service gap while earning on your schedule. Post ads offering high-value digital services like web design, close clients, then outsource the work to freelance professionals. Acting as the middleman, you manage the deal and earn the difference in profits without doing the heavy lifting yourself. A perfect digital side hustle. From homes and vacation spaces to tools and appliances, renting out assets can be incredibly lucrative on Craigslist. Unlike Airbnb, Craigslist doesn't take a cut of your earnings, but always create a legal lease agreement to avoid headaches. Did you know you can promote online courses or digital tools on Craigslist? Post engaging gigs that invite users to check out value-packed resources using your affiliate link. Every sale you generate earns you commission, making this an innovative way to use the platform. Think outside the box with tailored Craigslist ads for unique services. Offer solutions like pet sitting, local tour guiding, or event planning. Craft catchy titles and a strong pitch to grab attention. If it provides value, people will come knocking. As fantastic as Craigslist is, safety should always be a priority. Protect yourself with these tips. Always meet buyers or sellers in public places. Use cash or secure payment methods like PayPal. Avoid sharing personal information and communicate only through Craigslist-provided email proxies. Stay alert and trust your instincts if something feels off. Craigslist is an incredible platform for entrepreneurial growth. Whether you're selling, flipping, freelancing, or renting, there's a model here to match your ambitions. Leverage these strategies, stay safe, and start building a thriving side hustle. Now is the time to act. Try one of these ideas today and let us know which works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Clever Money Ideas. Thanks for watching.